The sound of footsteps echoed through the dark alleyway as Jana quickened her pace. She could feel her heart pounding in her chest as she tried to shake the feeling of being followed. She had always considered herself a quick decision maker, but now she wasn't so sure. Jana had always been an adventurous person, always willing to take risks and try new things. However, that sense of adventure had landed her in trouble more than once. This time, though, she had a feeling that things were different. She couldn't shake the feeling that she was being watched, and she knew that she needed to act fast. As she turned the corner, she saw a figure in the shadows, and her heart skipped a beat. But then she realized it was just a homeless man huddled in a corner. She took a deep breath and tried to calm herself down. She needed to make a decision, and she needed to make it fast. Jenna remembered a self-defense class she had taken a few years ago. The instructor had taught them how to use their surroundings to their advantage. She looked around and saw a fire escape ladder hanging from the building beside her. It was a risky move, but she knew it was her best chance. Without hesitation, Jana sprinted towards the ladder and began to climb. She could hear the sound of footsteps growing louder behind her, but she didn't look back. She focused on the ladder, each rung bringing her closer to safety. As she reached the top, she quickly scaled the rooftop, looking for a way to escape. She saw a door leading to the stairs and ran towards it. She burst through the door and raced down the stairs, taking them two at a time. She knew that she needed to get as far as away possible before whoever was following her caught up. Finally, Jenna burst out on the street, gasping for breath. She looked around, trying to get her bearings. She had no idea where she was, but she knew that she was safe for now. Jenna realized that in that moment, she had relied on her instincts and made quick decisions to ensure her safety. She knew that being a quick decision maker had saved her life, and she made a mental note to always trust her gut and act fast in the face of danger. The moral of the story is that being a quick decision maker is a valuable skill that can save one's life. It's important to trust oneself and act decisively when faced with uncertainty or danger. With practice, anyone can improve their decision-making abilities and be better equipped to handle whatever challenges come their way. Thanks for watching.